In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a proposal in HoneyBook. We'll walk through the full process from start to finish so you can confidently create, review, and send a professional proposal to your client. If you already have your project set up, this should be a quick and straightforward task. Start by logging into your HoneyBook account. Once you're in, go to the project where you want to send the proposal. This is important because proposals are created inside the specific client project, which helps keep all communication, files, and details organized in one place. Inside the project, click Create File. From the available options, select Proposal. HoneyBook will then give you the choice to either use a proposal template or start from a blank proposal. If you already have a template that matches your business style, that can save time and help keep your branding consistent. If not, a blank proposal gives you full control over the layout and content. Next, enter the proposal details. This is where you'll add the core information your client needs to see. Be clear and accurate here, since the proposal should reflect exactly what you're offering. After that, add your services and pricing. Make sure each service is listed correctly and that the pricing is easy to understand. Clear pricing helps avoid confusion and makes it easier for the client to make a decision. Once everything is added, review the proposal content carefully. Take a moment to read through it from the client's perspective. You'll also want to verify that all required fields are completed. Missing information can delay the signing or approval process, so this step is worth the extra attention. After that, click Preview to review the proposal as your client will see it. This is a great way to catch formatting issues, incomplete sections, or anything that may need a final adjustment before sending. When you're happy with how it looks, click Share in the top right corner. Review the recipient information to make sure the proposal is going to the correct person. Then confirm the proposal settings. This is your final checkpoint, so make sure everything is set the way you want before sending it out. Now click Send. Once it's sent, verify that the proposal has been sent successfully. You should see a confirmation in HoneyBook, which gives you peace of mind that your client has received it or is able to access it. And that's it. You've successfully sent a proposal in HoneyBook. Thanks for watching.